lit, we live. Let's get it. What's going on? Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. Alright, bro. So pretty much, I just wanted to go over this shit real quick. Now, this shit completely just fucked me up. I ain't gonna lie. But let me go over here. Alright. So in the long run, I'm not gonna lie. This shit is bearish. Like this shit is bearish. But we're at a position, at a point where it could reverse. You know. And honestly, like, I'm not even trying to catch the whole reversal to where it starts to just completely reverse and starts to go back up. I just need it to come up here. That's it. And I think it's possible, bro. Like, just look at this. Look at the see this trend line that I started drawing, right? Now, this is the daily this is the daily chart. I mean daily chart. So if I go down to the 1 hour, if you go down to the 1 hour, you can clearly see this right here. Uh, it's a little sloppy. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little sloppy. But I'm looking at the bigger picture, right? So this clearly, boom, touched it, and then touched it again. You could draw the trend right here and do that. Be like, oh, it broke the structure and this and that. Yes, it did break it within the 1 hour, but what I was looking at was over here. I was looking at the bigger picture. Every time you switch time frames, it gives you a different angle to look at. You know what I'm saying? You get a different perspective of the market. And based off of what I was looking at, I was looking at the perspective where, price should be going up. Price looks like it's gonna go up. And as we know, when price breaks structure, which was over here and when it was coming down, it broke this structure. So all over here, all this right here, right here, right here, right here, price came and completely just broke it. Made a new low right here. This is the lowest low. So as long as price stays above this shit, we are technically we're technically still bullish a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. We're still bullish as long as price stays over here above this shit and you don't break this. So far, it has been breaking down and like over here. Let me see. If you really want to be technical, like over here, you can see that we tried to. This is what I had at first, and price came up over here at the where this is Friday the 17th, and I'm pretty sure it broke this high. So that's one of the reasons I got into it because it broke that high, but it was still trading below the 200 moving average. But it broke this high, so I was anticipating that, hey, and blah blah blah, blah blah, whatever. That never happened. It actually came back and it's been trading below here ever since I got in right here, and now it's down here. So everything looks fine. It's nothing crazy. Like there hasn't been like a big drastic move. It's just the amount that I was risking. That's literally it. It's just my risk management. You feel me? I could have done a little bit better with that, but I knew it's not like I didn't know what I was getting into. Like I knew the consequences, and like I was willing to take that shit, man. Sometimes you got to take that risk, and it's not always going to hit, but you got to take that risk. That's why the Snapchat call Made 100% on that. Now, if I just calculated my risk and just changed the direction of where I put my risk at, you know what I mean? Like, that's really it. The ones that I should be, going in with, somehow it don't be happening. So that's why you have to do things consistently. When you don't do it consistently, you get shit like this. And like I said, this is not my first time, so I'm used to this type of feeling. If this was before, nah, bro. Like if this was before, like nah. I probably if this was before, I'd probably be like on the ground rolling and shit. Like I ain't gonna lie, cause nigga, cause you just start thinking about all the shit you could have just did with that money. You know what I'm saying? Like it's really not crazy, but like still though, like it don't feel good losing money. But my plan is I already took the risk. So when I take the risk, I'm in. You know what I'm saying? I'm in. I'm in there. So I have until June 18th. Hopefully, price. Just hopefully it don't continue going further down. But based off of the lows that's been getting broken, it does seem like it's gonna continue going down for a little bit. But do I recommend anybody do this? Hell no. Fuck no. Do not do this. Do not do this. This is not for the weak. You know what I'm saying? I don't recommend to trade like this. This is not the way to trade. But I was trying to see some, and I don't want to say it didn't work out. It's just it's not working out right now. You know, it's not working out right now. It's not working out right now. That's what I just gotta tell myself. It's not working out right now. It don't mean that it's not gonna work out. It's just not working out right now. It's not my time right now. You gotta be a little bit more patient, you know? Even though I've been hella patient, been so patient. Like niggas know I've been patient, but shit, it's not my time now. And every time you try to rush it, you get set back a little bit more. So, um, like for some reason, I really don't even feel like I lost yet. It's just every time I look at the account and I see it going down, it's just kind of like, you know. But it's all part of the game, and I know what I signed up for, so